so we are going to make our barbecue salmon. So I got some salmon fillet cut up. I got barbecue sauce. You could use any barbecue sauce you like, any, okay? Old Bay seasoning, Cajun seasoning, black peppercorn, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salted butter, and the lemon pepper that I keep in a container. Okay, it's very simple. You're gonna see. So let's get started. Okay, so what I did, I went ahead and I melted like a half a stick of the butter. You don't have to use butter if you don't like. You could also use olive oil or avocado oil, whatever you prefer, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna brush this butter on each fillet. Cover the whole fillet. It's gonna help for your seasonings to stick to your salmon. Okay. So I went ahead and I coated each salmon piece. So as you can see. So then I'm gonna start with my white ingredients, which it will be my onion powder, which you don't have no salt. So I could put plenty of it. Okay, plenty of it. Now I'm gonna do my garlic. Plenty of it. I love my garlic, y'all already know. Then I'm gonna grab pinches of the lemon pepper. Okay, I'm gonna do that. I like putting it like that so I could control my lemon pepper. But you do it your way. Okay, then I'm gonna grab my black pepper. And kindly do that. Then, of course, my Old Bay seasoning. I'm gonna sprinkle lightly. Remember, it has salt. You also have the lemon pepper ready, and so it's gonna be lightly. Give it, you know, help with that seafood. And a Cajun. I love this Cajun. Slap your mama. It's really, really good. But again, you use what you prefer. Okay, any Cajun seasoning that you like. So I did that, and I almost forgot that I like to put parsley. Where's my parsley? Okay. And last but not least is gonna be your paprika. Paprika doesn't have any salt, and it helps with that crisp coating. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover the whole thing with my paprika. You will see me use a lot of paprika on seafood and other things too, but this is the Spanish paprika. But you could use whichever you prefer. You like using the smoked paprika, you could do that. Adjust it how you want it. So this is getting ready to go in the oven. Now I'm gonna put this gonna go in the oven on broil, on medium broil, which will be like 450 degrees. Okay. Okay, so we're about to put this salmon in the oven. I have it on broil, medium, 450 on broil. Okay, and it's going in the oven just like that. And we're gonna let it cook for a good 5-6 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna check on my salmon. It's been about 6 minutes on broil. Okay, medium broil. Look how that looks, guys. So I'm gonna take it out. All right. I'm trying to use one hand, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and the barbecue sauce, I heat it up a little bit with a little bit of water because you don't want it that thick, okay? You want it almost like a glaze, okay? And I'm just gonna pat it. Don't try to brush it because you'll be taking your other seasonings off. So just pat it. Okay? You pat it like this. Pat it. You try to brush it like I said, it's gonna take your other seasonings off. And you don't want that, right? So you just do this with love to each piece of salmon, making sure it's well coated. And like I said, you could use whichever barbecue sauce you prefer. Make this recipe your own. Okay, so look at that. Look at that barbecue. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of the parsley, and it's gonna go right back to the oven for another 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, and again the oven is on broil. Okay, we're about to take the salmon out of the oven. It's been 5 more minutes, going on 6 minutes after I added the barbecue sauce. On broil. Guys, look how pretty that is. Look how pretty that is, guys. Look at that. That's barbecue salmon. Okay, from my kitchen to yours, darling. Guys, so look at that salmon. I just took it out completely out of the oven. Look how pretty. You see, I always use a piece of foil because then it's so easy to clean up, especially when the sauce gets all over the place. But look at, I just don't know. Look at that salmon. Look at that. Okay. I'm about to put it on this plate. Look how pretty that is. Okay, now I'm gonna taste it. Okay guys, the moment of truth, okay? Oh, and by the way, this salmon that we got right here, look how pretty that is, barbecue salmon. I'm gonna eat it today with the mac and cheese that I have the recipe link below this video, so go check out the mac and cheese. So let's taste it. Let's taste it, you and I, okay? Just you and I, don't tell nobody, okay? At least for right now. Look at that. Look how pretty. Do you see that salmon, guys? Guys, and it's so easy and it only takes such a short time and ingredients. Again, I'm sharing with you, okay, just for you and me. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this with my mac and cheese and my veggies. But don't forget to check out the recipe for the mac and cheese. It's gonna be linked below. Enjoy this recipe, adjust it how you want it. And thank you for watching. Thank you for coming to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? And share. We could share now, okay? You could share this video now. All right, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget the bell button and the like button. Thank you.